welcome to the first Lindsey's Closet Instagram video. My name is Izzy. Today, for our first video, we're going to be unboxing a big old box of evening dresses that are brand new. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. I don't know what's in it, so this is my first time seeing what these dresses look like. I have no idea what is in there. Yeah, okay, let's find out. Yeah, let me get the box. So, hi, let's see what's inside. I got it. Ooh! Oh my god, this is so cute. I already know it. Oh, this like mauve pink dress. Oh, this is hot. I am so excited for these. Ooh. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. You guys are gonna love these. I mean, I love them. Ooh, I am so excited. And finally, oh, this, yes. Okay, so that, I took it all out. So let's get rid of this box. All right, now, let's get into the dresses. So I'm gonna start with like 3 of my favorites so far, like just based on like looking at them right now. I'll probably try them on later and then like put in a little clip, you know, so you can see me, we're in them and what it looks like on, because we all know hangers, they don't do any justice for pretty clothing. I chose this one first just because it's my favorite color, you know, any shade of blue and I'm sold. But like, it's this cobalt blue gown with this like, you know, this plunge spaghetti strap, and it's like, oh, you know, pretty simple, but then you've got this big slit, and then it's like, ooh, okay, then you turn around, it's like, oh, you sexy. This is the first one I pulled out of the box. Oh my god, like I don't normally like any pink really. I'm not the type of like girl to really like pink, and this is like the perfect shade of pink that I would actually like because it's more muted and like toned down. It's not so like in your face. Like this, oh my gosh, wait, sorry. I cannot wait to see this on. We have this other pink one. It's more like a burgundy, maroon color. Yeah, they're all like have a tiny bit of metallic in them, but not too much where it's like, whoa, that's a lot. All of these dresses are simple, but they're noticeable, you know what I mean? Like, show up at any event in this, and it's like, wow, who is she? She's sexy too, like, sexy, hello. It's got this really pretty strappy back. You've got one crossing, like, across the top of your back, but then you get to your butt, your booty, and there's this little ruching, and if you don't know already, that makes your butt look so nice. I love when I see or have dresses like that because, I don't know, it just has like a, gives you like a little confidence boost, because then you look and you turn and you're like, ooh! You can honestly like never go wrong with a good orange. It's got this beautiful neckline, you know, it's like up to your neck, but then it's plunging, and you know, and then it's got the back cut out here too, you know, so pretty. Okay, now we all need a red dress in our life. You can't tell me otherwise because it's just a fact. This is probably the least like super sexy, like all this like showing so much skin dress, but I love it. Now we have this neutral colored dress. It's kind of silver. The front is just like simple cut here, and then then you've got a big old slit, go back, bam! You got all this action. Last but not least, we've got another beautiful red dress that's got like a halter top. So pretty, and it's super plunged. I guess that's all of them. If you are going to a gala or prom or just some big event and you really want to like stand out, these gowns are so pretty, but you still want to like look put together and not like you're trying too hard. These are those kind of gowns. Until next time, bye.